Flora, a stray cat, was discovered wandering the streets alone. Her condition was dire. Dirty fur, a grimy face, and signs of FIP with frequent coughing. Despite her obvious distress, she was passed by without a second glance by the many people bustling past. Is there any chance that this cat can be saved? One compassionate woman noticed Flora's plight. Seeing the frail cat, she couldn't turn away. With gentle hands, she scooped Flora into a carrier and hurried to the nearest veterinary hospital. At the hospital, veterinarians confirmed Flora's worst fears. She'd contracted FIP, a deadly disease for cats. Despite the grim prognosis, the woman who rescued Flora was determined to give her a fighting chance.
İyi görünüyorlar. Hele bu gayet atlatmış görünüyor. Hadi ya. Hiçbir şey. Çelme bakalım.
Flora was admitted for intensive treatment. Antibiotics, antiviral medications, and supportive therapies for her kidneys and liver were quickly administered. Despite the challenges of her illness and the unfamiliar surroundings, Flora showed remarkable resilience. She remained calm and affectionate during examinations and treatments, endearing herself to the hospital staff with her gentle demeanour.
Ne oldu Kermit?
Dartalım çünkü.
Ne zaman?
Az önce getirdim.
Ha?
During treatment, although still somewhat wary of other cats, she showed curiosity and interest in her feline patients. The staff smiled as they watched Flora cautiously explore her surroundings, knowing she was well on her way to adapting to her new life. Days turned into weeks as Flora's treatment progressed. She started to eat more, gained strength, and even began to play cautiously in her enclosure.
Whisper, whisper.
Flora.
Ne diyecektim ya? Sizin iş tahminen ne zaman biter?
The hospital staff cheered quietly for her progress, knowing each step forward was hard-earned. The community rallied around Flora's story. News of her plight spread, touching the hearts of many. Donations poured in to support her medical expenses, easing the financial burden on her rescuer and the hospital. After 84 days of intensive care, a period that felt both endless and fleeting, Flora's health finally stabilized. The last dose of FIP treatment was administered with cautious optimism. Follow-up tests, including blood pressure checks and comprehensive screenings, were scheduled to ensure the disease had been eradicated.
Flora. Kermit. Kermit. Ne oldu Flora? Kermit sen yedin. You ate. Kermit. You shouldn't eat too much. My boy, you should be fit.
Now, Flora looked radiant and full of life. She was no longer the weak and sad cat she once was, but a happy and hopeful one.
Efendim? Nasıl yardımcı olabilirim? Aşkım kavga istemiyorum, tamam mı?
Flora's story became a beacon of hope and compassion. Her journey from a forsaken street cat to a survivor inspired many, reminding them of the resilience of animals and the power of empathy. Her tale served as a poignant reminder of the importance of kindness and the impact of every act of compassion, no matter how small. If you find this story touching your heart, please don't hesitate to send your prayers to Flora and her rescuer, and give this story a like as well as subscribe to receive more meaningful stories. Thank you very much. Goodbye and see you again.